You want to replace or perhaps upgrade the earpads on your Sennheiser HD6xx model. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The headset that I have right here is the HD600, but the earpads that you will see in the video today are going to fit several Sennheiser models. For a full list, you can check the description below, or you'll see them on the screen right now. So, let's get to the video. Okay, so let's start. The first step is going to be removing the old earpads. You're simply going to hold them from inside and pull them out. It might be harder for you at first, it might be easier. For me, it looks a little bit easier because I already removed them before. All right, once you removed it, you're going to also remove this film, the foam cover that protects the speaker. And I'll put the old earpads aside. For today's video, I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions earpads, our Cooling Gel 90s black earpads. And I'll show you a little bit of the difference. Obviously, the shape and the build is going to be completely different. There is airweave fabric on top, PU leather on the sides, cooling gel on top, and cooling gel on the inside. Another thing I really did not like with the HD6xx series by Sennheiser is I don't like these foam screen covers that have to be put on the speaker and then the earpad installed on top. So what we did with our earpads, we already made the foam covers attached to the backside of the earpad. It was really a pain in the ass trying to install this plastic ring on top of the speaker cover. So I thought, you know what, let's just make it all in one. So the way that these install is you see this plastic ring on the back of the earpad. It has a little protruding ring on it. This protruding ring is going to fit inside. I'll try to get a good look. Let me just move everything so I can focus. But there is a little ring also inside of the speaker, inside of the ear cup, that this backside protruding ring fits right into. So one thing to know, there is a top and the bottom for the earpad. The bottom is marked by the seam on the earpad. So simply going to align it and push it until you hear clicks. Also try not to push it from here because I have dented my cover on the back side a little bit. So you want to try to hold it from the sides like this. See, I'm holding it here from the side. This is what you want to get for the leverage and the pressure. All right, seems like it's in. Now I'll get the other one. There is no left and right for these earpads. They're interchangeable, by the way. I'll do the same thing here. All right, these installed. Just gonna make sure that this one is fully installed. And that is it. You are pretty much done. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.